Fans of the How to Train Your Dragon book and movie now have some help in drawing one of the main characters, Hiccup. He's a smart and kind Viking boy who becomes friends with a dragon named Toothless and shows everyone that dragons don't have to be enemies. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The only supplies you need for this project are a pencil, thin black marker, crayons, and a sheet of drawing paper. You can also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. Please remember that I recommend working with center pencil guidelines on your paper. They're also on all my tutorials, and they really help you use the entire sheet when you draw. Let's begin by drawing an oval for Hiccup's head. It's going to be this tall and this wide. When you have a plan, then put your pencil in the middle of the paper and draw the left side, and then draw a matching right side. Now add a bit of a neck underneath that oval, and then a collar that has a V-neck in the middle. The main shape of the shirt is added next. We can begin with the shoulders and then draw the sides, which are slightly curved, and then connect those lines at the bottom with a slightly curved hem. Let's finish the face now by drawing two eye shapes. You can start with the outer shape first, and then add the circles inside. Then just a few simple lines for the nose, and a couple of lines for the mouth. Hiccup's hair may be added now around the outside of his oval head with just some jagged lines. And when those are done, then draw a line across his forehead for his bangs. When you're done, be sure to erase any of that oval that's inside. Oh, and a few lines here will add some texture to his hair. We can start the legs now, begin on the outside, and draw down to where the calf would be. Then come back up, making the leg narrower at the knee. When one side is done, then just do your best to draw a matching leg on the other side. That left foot has a kind of boot shape, so begin with that. And then when you're done, come back and add some bandage-looking straps around the top. Hiccup wears a special metal foot attachment on his right leg. It helps him walk, ride Toothless, and shows how brave and adaptable he is. We can begin here with the outer shape first. Then if we come back and draw the inside shapes in that foot, it will look a lot like what it does in his movies. Now for just some of those smaller details, like straps that are going around his thighs. And then we can go back up to his shirt and add his layered sleeves on either side. Now Hiccup's arms are added underneath those sleeves. They're just hanging straight down. Draw one, try to make the wrist narrower than the rest. Add a simple thumb and finger, and when one side is done, then do a symmetrical version on the other side so that the thumbs and the fingers are still turning towards him. Now we can add some of his gear. There's a strap that goes across his chest. It has a buckle in the middle. Make it look thick by extending the ends a bit, and then erase the lines inside when you're done. And adding just a few more lines to that strap will make it look a little more realistic. Hiccup also needs a belt, which has some detailed lines inside. This is also wider than his shirt, so be sure to erase those lines inside when you're done too. Okay, I know that was a lot of details to draw, but we are finished. So now take that black marker and carefully trace over all of those pencil lines. When your tracing is done, your drawing will always look a lot neater if you take a moment to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. Now it's time to bring out those crayons. I'm going to begin with a kind of olive color that I most often saw him wear for his shirt and the ties on his legs and feet. Then I'm going to use that brown for the strap and his belt and hair. A kind of rust color for the pants, and gray for his boot and foot attachment, and a light peach for his skin. Okay, there's my finished drawing of Hiccup. I hope you think he looks a lot like he does in his movies too. Hey, if you do check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more cartoon lessons there, including one for how to draw Toothless and the Wild Robot. Over the years, I'm happy to say my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Hey, if you are enjoying this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get notified whenever I post a new video.